Mary.
Ends
are totally split. Your ends are totally split. Your ends are totally split.
That scared me, sorry.
You need a new conditioner.
You should you know what you should do? You should record over.
Dude, I should.
Cause it's like you barely hear you. Oh yeah.
Come on.
I'm good. Like last time I was over here, it had fleas. Look at this gross weight. It's like all old. What is she doing? She hurt herself. Dude, you look hecka far from this camera. It's usually like hecka close. Oh! Oh!
Oh! It went like this, and then my...
Oh, that's how I twisted my ankle. Like, I tripped, and I laid it like that.